Hi, good morning guys. I am back with more of Java. This time we are going into the advanced topics of Java. Please watch my previous Java videos. There is at least like 50 videos from beginner to intermediate. This is one of the advanced topics. It's called encapsulation. As the name suggests, it's to capsule something. What is that something? Data. So to protect the data, sensitive data. Protecting data is important from the users. So how we achieve that is, you have to declare a class which has obviously variables, attributes, and we use the private modifier. Please watch my previous videos. I talk about private, protected, how to declare the variables, attributes of a class. Private means, as the name suggests, it's private to that class. We cannot use in any other public class or anywhere. So here we introduce two methods, get, set, public methods for data manipulation. What we want to do is, if we set as private or protected, it cannot be accessed. But we want a way to access somehow, sometime. So we use get and set methods. It can access the private variables outside the class. That is important. Get returns the variable name. Set sets the value, updates the value. So for example, back to our train. Public class train. See here, private string train name. Public, so you have to see here it's private string train name. This is public. We have two methods. One method for the get, one method for the set. Here we get the value, here we set the value, update the value. What is the value? Train name. We want to update the train name. So private string train name, two public methods. Public string get train name function method. What it will return is the train name. Public void, this is the usual syntax for any new Java program. Set method. This means this class. This dot train name equal to new train name, which is a parameter for this public method. This is the way we pass the parameters. We send the value through the variable new train name. So this is the main program. The public class main, public static void, main string arguments. Here is the most important part you got to see. So train. What is train? It's a public class object. Train object equal to new train. So we are instantiating or creating an object of the class. Here we declare it. Here we are using it here. Instantiating. So train object within this public main part of the program. Train object. This is the train object of train of the class dot train name equal to L3000. System.out.println train object dot train name. If you run this program, it will give a Java error two times. One for calling the train name here, one for trying to train name here, because it's not defined, you know. When it's private, it's private. You can't access outside the class. So two times error comes. So what we do is the same program, same code, replace these two lines with these two lines. Train obj dot, instead of calling a private variable attribute here, you got to say set train name. It will call the set train name of L3000. Setting the value here, set train name. This L3000 is passed here through here. And then you're printing system.out.println train obj dot, not the train name, which is a private string. You cannot access here, it's protected. But we override that by saying a get method. See here, get train name function. So we are using both the public methods, set train name, get train name. Now it will print correctly L3000. Now you might understand how to use the get and the other one to override the values. to update the values. Okay, why we need encapsulation? To protect data. Better handling of the class attributes methods, and better handling of the class itself, and you can change parts of the program without changing all of the program. Sometimes in coding, if it's a medium or small or large project, you don't want to rewrite the code many times. That's why we have these public methods. Whatever variables you want to override, put it in here, correspondingly linked to the actual variable. So today we learned about encapsulation. Next one, I'll put a video about inheritance, and we'll jump into more advanced topics. I have yoga videos, medical nursing. We have about 83,000 subscribers worldwide, and I have about 570 videos. Please watch them. Thanks for watching.